Hello, I hope you're having a great day. I am making a cake that they called crazy cakes or depression cakes. During the Depression, they didn't have eggs, butter, or even bowls and things to make a cake, so they made these quick cakes, and they happen to be vegan. So I don't have a glass 8x8, so I have this Corningware. It's really old. And I sprayed it with a little bit of spray oil, and what they did is they took 1.5 cups of flour. They just poured everything in their dish, and a cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, and a teaspoon, I'm going to make a little hole here, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then a teaspoon of vanilla, and 5 tablespoons of oil, and a cup of water. And then you just mix it right in your bowl. You can put it in another pan too, but I like doing it this way. It's just one bowl, not a lot of cleaning. Just mix this until you get it mixed. It makes real easy. You can make a yellow one. This one's, of course, is chocolate. Just scrape your sides, kind of get the lumps out. And then I have my oven going at 350, and I'm going to bake it for about 35 minutes, and until a toothpick comes out of it clean. So this is it. Real easy, quick. The kids could do this. You could watch them and they could do this. Real easy. What would be fun is to make part of it without the, make 2 batches in a bigger pan, and make one a yellow cake, vanilla, and one chocolate, and then what you do is you pour these in at the container at the same time and let it marble. Don't stir it afterwards, just let it be a marble cake. That's really fun too. And just make a quick frosting, or you don't even have to frost it if you don't want. So this is it. It's stirred. That's it. Okay, 350, 35 minutes. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, I just took it out of the oven, and the toothpick came out clean, and it turned out perfect, I think. So I'll let it cool, and then I'll frost it. Just frost it with your favorite frosting. Hope you have a great day. It really rose good too, so I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.